In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find balance on Kroger gift card. We will walk through the process together so you can quickly see exactly how much money you have left to spend. To begin, open your web browser the same way you normally browse the internet. In the address bar at the top, type Kroger gift card balance page, then press enter. On the results page, look for the official Kroger link that mentions gift card balance and click it. When the page loads, you should see a simple form asking for your card details, usually with the Kroger logo near the top, and some text about checking your gift card balance. Once you are on the Kroger gift card balance page, take a second to look at the layout. You will normally see two empty boxes or fields, one for the gift card number and one for the PIN, along with a button that says Check Balance. If you do not see those pieces on the screen, use the scroll wheel or swipe down a little until they appear. Many beginners miss this and think the page is broken, when the form is just lower down on the page. Now enter your gift card number in the first field. This number is usually printed on the front or back of the physical card. Type it carefully, one group of digits at a time, and pause for a moment to double-check there are no missing or extra numbers. If your browser suggests saving this number, ignore that suggestion, since a gift card does not need to be stored like a password. After you finish typing, the field should be completely filled with numbers and no error message should appear underneath. Next, enter your PIN in the second field. On many Kroger gift cards, the PIN is under a scratch-off panel on the back of the card. If yours is still covered, gently scratch that area until the PIN is visible, then type it in exactly as shown. The PIN may be shorter than the card number, so do not worry if it looks small. A common mistake is swapping the PIN and the card number, so confirm you put the long number in the first box and the shorter PIN in the second. With both numbers entered, click the Check Balance button. After you click, the page may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds without clicking again. When it finishes, your remaining balance will appear on the screen, usually in bold text, showing the number of dollars you still have on that Kroger gift card. Some pages also show recent transactions or the last time the card was used, which can help you remember where your money went. You have now learned how to quickly find the remaining balance on your Kroger gift card online, so please give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.